This is completing long division using partial products and a two-digit divisor. We have 775 divided by 23. When doing partial products, I always put a line down the right-hand side of the problem. We should now break up that 775 into multiples of 23. The easiest multiple of 23, as we've learned, would be 23 times 10, or 230. So let us begin by putting a 10 on the right-hand side, and then you will ask yourself, 10 times 23 is what? And we have 230 here. You then keep subtracting from the dividend until you have a number that is less than 230, which is the 23 times 10. So let's continue with using 10 until we cannot anymore. We now have 3 tens on the right-hand side, so we know our quotient will be at least 30. We know it's going to be over 30. We also know now it's going to be less than 40. How we know that is we have broken down the dividend into a number that is less than 23 times 10, or the 230s we've been using. We are down to 85. Now you have to use some of your multiplication skills, okay? And ask yourself, how many 23s go into 85? I do not want to go over that number, obviously. Many students use front-end division and ask themselves, how many 2's go into 8? If you do that, that's fine, but always do it on the side first to see if it works. 2 goes into 8 4 times, so I'm going to do on the side 23 times 4. And as you can see, gives me a product that is over 85. So I'm going to use a 3 here, because I know 4 is going to be too much. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 23 times 3 is 69. I subtract, and I get a remainder of 16. I then have to add up all numbers to the right. I get 33. I have a remainder of 16. And I have a divisor of 23. This gives me a final answer of 33 and 16/23. This is a problem using partial quotients.